Hey everyone, welcome to another day of Diamante poems. Today we will be spending the time writing your Diamante poem based on the brainstorming that you did last week about rainforests and deserts. Now, this lesson today should take you 30 minutes in total. You will spend some time looking at your brainstorming, and then you'll spend time writing and then publishing your poem. Now, I'm going to give you more information about Diamante poems and show you how to write one in the seesaw activity. So I'm just going to flip over. Perfect. Now, you would have seen on Friday that a Diamante poem has two different subjects, two different nouns, one at the top and one at the bottom. It then has two adjectives relating to your first noun, three verbs, ing words, ing words, relating to your first noun. And then you will notice on this fourth line, the first two nouns relate to your first topic, and the second two nouns relate to your second topic. So if you have a look, barbecue and beach both relate to summer, and wind and snowman both relate to winter. So the top half of the diamond is about the first topic, and the bottom half of the diamond is about the second topic. So let's see what that looks like as we put our information about rainforests and deserts into the Diamante poem. Now, at the top here it says noun. The first noun, just going to take off the text box, rainforests. Okay, and you can place that very carefully here. And the second noun down the bottom, deserts. That means that the first two adjectives will be about the rainforests. The first three verbs, ing words, will be about rainforests, and these two nouns will be about rainforests. Then it flips over. These two nouns will be about deserts, these three verbs will be about deserts, and these two adjectives will be about deserts. Now, where you will find some of these words, if you did some good planning on Friday, you'll be able to find some adjectives and verbs in that planning sheet. So when you think about rainforests, what are two different ways that you could describe them or things in them? Now, I saw on some people's planning sheets some great words. I'm going to put cold. So cold is an adjective. It's describing the rainforest. And gloomy. I saw someone had gloomy, and that's because often the sun doesn't shine through in the rainforest because there's so much canopy overhead. So it can be a bit cold and gloomy in a rainforest. It also can be a bit sunny. It's up to you what you decide to put. Now, after you have put your two adjectives in, you're going to need to think of three verbs, three action words. That's words ending in ing. So I'm going to think about that in relation to rainforest. So I'm going to put exploring, because rainforests are great for exploring and looking around. I'm going to put dripping, because when it rains in the rainforest, the leaves get wet and water droplets fall down towards the floor of the rainforest. I'm going to put climbing, because in a rainforest, animals climb, but also the trees and vines climb up towards the sunshine. So now I've got rainforests, rainforests, cold and gloomy, exploring, dripping, climbing. Now I need to think of two nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing related to rainforest. So I'm going to put trees. And I'm also going to put vines. Two things you can touch relating to rainforests. Now that's where the part about rainforest stops. And this is where you switch over to deserts. So you need to think of two nouns relating to deserts, then three verbs, action words ending in ing relating to deserts, and then two describing words, two adjectives for deserts. So now you know how to get started and where the swap over happens halfway through. You'll be able to go and write your Diamante poem ready to put here. Now, once you've written it here, you can then publish it on the next page. You can add pictures and different things to make it look great. And that is your task for today. We look forward to reading your poems.